Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Star Citizen error code 732823393. As per our research, the error comes when players try to load into the game. Some users shared that they either see one frame before the game crashes to the desktop, or it crashes during loading. According to our findings, the error may occur due to cache issues, memory limitations, or conflicts with the Vulkan graphics renderer. The first thing you should try is deleting the launcher cache. Many users reported that clearing the launcher cache helped them get back into the game. So try this and see if this helps. If the error still comes, then the error may be due to system memory issues, so try modifying the page file settings. To do this, go to the Start menu and click on Settings. Then type Performance and choose Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Then go to the Advanced tab and under the Virtual Memory section and click on Change. Then make sure the Automatically Manage Paging File Size for All Drives box is selected. Once you change the setting, click OK to save and check for the error. If the error still comes, then try modifying the graphics settings file. Go to the following directory: Users User App Data, Local Star, Citizen Star Citizen C Alpha 324.2 _K649 graphics settings. In the file, change the value of graphics renderer 1 to graphics renderer 0 and save it. Then check for the error. If the error still comes and you are using Vulkan, try switching it off and see if this helps. If none of these steps work, simply wait and try again later. A few players mentioned that they left the game for some time, and when they got back, the issue was resolved on its own. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.